Your Excellency, the Chinese Ambassador, the Chairman of Fiji Rugby Union, ladies and gentlemen. Bula Vinaka, and a very good afternoon to you all. Your Excellencies, before I mention the presentation of the buses, I must thank you for this wonderful ship that we have, the Kadao. As you know, I traveled on it in the last couple of weeks, and it's one of the most stable, most wonderful ship I ever traveled on. So thank you for that, Vinaka. But on behalf of the Fiji Rugby Union, and I'm grateful to accept these 2 new buses provided by the people of China's Guangdong province, both of which will lighten the $500,000 annual cost of transporting our women's and men's 7s and 15 sides team to and from training tournaments, as well as, of course, the staff of the FRU. As part of Fiji's response to the coronavirus, as you mentioned, Your Excellency, thank you for that announcement made by President Xi for the provision of $2 billion to help the world recover from coronavirus. But as part of Fiji's response to the coronavirus, rugby and other contact sports aren't being played, and globally, international competitions are currently on hold. So we all know these buses are going to hit the road soon, not tomorrow. But I wanted to be here today to give everyone an update on where we stand on getting athletes at all levels back in action here in Fiji. Fiji's acted decisively, as you mentioned, Your Excellency, to contain the spread of the novel coronavirus, and our campaign has won incredible success. We locked down at-risk regions of the country, banned gatherings, implemented nationwide curfew, closed high-risk businesses, and health screened hundreds of thousands of Fijians. We've now gone 33 days without a new case of the virus, making us one of the few countries on earth poised to completely eradicate community-based transmission of COVID-19. But we cannot afford for our health protection measures to end as quickly as they were first introduced. We're currently working with all stakeholders, including in the private sector, to develop a long-term containment strategy which upholds the health of every Fijian and instills confidence in our citizens, businesses and international partners that Fiji is responsibly managing our return to normalcy. As soon as we decide there's a manageable risk to resuming recreational contact sports, I'll be the one to let you know. And when it's safe to do so, we'll resume full-scale sporting tournaments in a way that puts the well-being of our fans and athletes first. I know how vital sport is for many Fijian businesses, along with the coaches and staff who make a living supporting teams across the country. And I know how difficult it is for athletes to put their careers on hold and put the income they earn from competing aside. And I know how important sport is for ordinary Fijians, particularly when our national spirit needs lifting. I'll never forget, of course, the happiness of our 7-0 gold medal victory in Rio, brought to countless Fijians reeling in the aftermath of Cyclone Winston 4 years ago. But the very nature of the coronavirus has meant that we've had to take on this challenge unaided by the gallantry of our sportsmen and sportswomen. Still, that hasn't stopped our athletes from finding new ways to inspire their nation, including the members of our men's 7-side, who deserve a big vinaka for their assist to our nationwide awareness campaign to reinforce healthy habits like hand washing and physical distancing. While we wait for rugby's return, Let's keep cheering on the heroes on the front lines of our campaign against COVID-19. Nurses, healthcare workers, police officers, RFMF personnel, along with our disaster officials who are helping win the war against this virus, even throughout our response to Cyclone Harold. It will be thanks to their efforts that these buses will one day start running and our athletes will resume competing. Until that day, Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, I want to extend our thanks to the People's Republic of China for this gift, particularly the province of Guangzhou Municipal People's Government. The generosity, Your Excellency, has proven that even as the world hits pause, sports diplomacy remains a powerful tool for connecting our peoples across our borders. From the Fiji Rugby Union, its athletes, staff, and the Fijian people, say, and Vinago. Thank you. Okay. Excellency?
No, you do that.
All right. Thank you very much. Okay.
Go automatic.
Jangan biasa juga.
Está bien.